Hi everybody. If you got the latest Windows update, you might notice that Snipping Tool is being replaced with a tool called Snip Sketch. It's just basically an upgraded version. It gets a little bit better graphical user interface like we're used to, and has a lot of the same functions, but a new one as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. When you open Snipping Tool after the update, you'll see this message about Snipping Tool moving. Click on Try Snip Sketch, and this is our new tool. So it's going to look really similar, except instead of having delay like we had before, where we have delay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, now it's just all in one tool. You can either do new, which is an immediate snip, or you have 3-second and 10-second delays. So let's do snip now. Okay, we snipped that message. One nice new feature in the Snip Sketch tool is that we can crop screen grabs like we couldn't before. So image crop. We just drag the handles, very familiar process here, and click the check mark, and now we've got a cleaner screen grab there. If you've got a stylus, these drawing tools are great. You might be used to that with the snipping tool, but each one of them has a drop down where you can change colors, so you've got all these different pens, different sizes, pencil, highlighter, same thing, eraser, which can erase all ink, again very similar to the old snipping tool. One new thing is the ruler. So when you click on that, you can drag that around, get a measurement if you want, see degrees here. The other one on that menu is the protractor, so if you're doing any kind of circular imagery, you might want to use that. Other than that, really similar. You can open a file in here and do edits later if you grabbed it earlier and need to crop it now. You can certainly use this as a light editor. Otherwise, you can copy, paste it into a document you're working on, or just save it. So good luck with Snip Sketch, and thanks for watching.